Just dropped our mooring. Bye, Ellie. We're now heading north. We won't be back here for a long time. Just pulled in at the back of Gloucester. Gloucester Island's just over here. Caught a schoolie, 50 centimeters, 52, so he's legal. We'll have him for dinner. I don't recall going this way last time.
I think we went through there. Now we're dealing with sandbars. Damn. We did, so we probably didn't care. Should have timed our arrival a bit different, shouldn't we? We picked up one of the private moorings owned by Cape Gloucester Resort, where we spent a couple of really amazing nights. We spent the next day at the beach, swimming and exploring the resort.
Except without the doo-doo. Doo-doo goodie. Mum, do you think this is good?
Careful! Don't make us roll off! What are you doing? Just sit right there, Stay there.
I farted into your butt.
Yuck. Feral. I don't think you know how to stop farting, gross.
It's what happens.
Stop it.
It's what happens when I have solo.
Stop drinking the solo then. Stop it.
Did you smell
It's
it?
so gross. Stop it. Yuck. Feral. Then we were off again, this time heading back to Bowen. We had an incredible sail and dropped anchor in Grays Bay this time, which made for a really nice scene change from Bowen Harbour that we stayed in last time. So what's happening?
I tried to put the tender down today and it wouldn't go down. We've been having some issues with our line on the starboard side, which pulls the engine up. It's been twisting, so it needed to probably be replaced, which we thought about doing, but then Shona had the idea of saving some cash, which was excellent on her behalf, and turning the lines around. So we thought we could get away with doing that in Townsville, and it seems today we are at Bowen and we can't. The culprit is this pulley. It's worn away, and as you pull the line back up through the pulleys, it's been ruining the line. This is the line that goes through the pulley. This is the line that doesn't, and as you can see, it's just been rubbing on it. So we'll now turn it around and put this dead end as the spare extra 3 meters that are in the boat that you pull on, and we'll run the fresher line down the other end, and then we'll probably look at getting some other lines and replacing it later on down the track. You'll see they'll be pink.
Yes, they will be.
Anyway, we've got some spares as they're on the table, and I'm going to swap it out for this one, which is an identical changeover really. And we will now have to, in Townsville, buy some more parts because we're using our one spare. So also, this is not load bearing. This is just to send the line directly up through here, straight down and into the jammer and the pulley. The pulleys that are load bearing are up the end. So this is just to feed the line so it doesn't get in the way and get tangled. By the way, my wife has put a plastic bag there to catch anything because she doesn't have faith in my abilities.
Can't be too safe, Bowen.
Safety first.
Safety first, Bowen.
Safety first, sure enough.
Oh my god, this is the scary bit. When you gotta use a split pin. And you gotta split it with your fingers. And then feed it through the tiny little hole. I can't even see it. Am I in? Oh, I'm pretty good at getting things in the hole.
Don't be gross.
Hmm?
Don't be gross.
Done. I'm thinking maybe we just run it in here and see. Is that really working all right?
Yes. You always fail when you're under pressure.
Always. Turn the camera off. That's it done. Wouldn't mind maybe we retie it. I feel like this is old casing with the ropes actually inside and we've only got an inch. Maybe we might feed some more slack through just so we have some more grabbed on in the bowline. Now we've got at least a couple of inches. I feel a bit better about that. Sweet, we've got to do one more. Rinse and repeat. We did an 8-hour sail today. We had the sail up probably for 2 of those. Maximum of 2 knots most of the time. And then maximum of 6 knots, but majority of the day was pretty much 2 or below. We caught 2 baby mackerel, 150 centimeters, 160 centimeters, spotted, and schoolie. And we just pulled in a big dog Spanish mackerel. He'd be over 1 metre, easy, and thick. I've got some footage I'll show you.
Is it trying to pull?
I'm gonna need my belt.
Pop it over here, matey. Pop it over here in the little cup holder so we don't lose it. Over here.
Slow down. There he
Take
is.
it out of the holder, matey.
Oh, no.
No?
Just pull him in. Just, he knows what to do.
Okay, don't worry. No, listen to what Daddy says. Sorry.
Do what you're doing, mate. Reel it in, but don't take it out.
Sorry. Good job, buddy.
This is the one we wanted.
They could have got something.
No, there he is. Look.
Daddy caught something on this rod though. What do you think it is, Harlow? What do you think it is?
Big tuna.
A big tuna. Ooh, maybe. That'd be
Yeah.
nice.
He's still got some fight. Huh? Okay, that's enough, mate. Perfect. Just leave it there.
Good job, buddy.
We're gonna need the gap.
Yeah. Are you there yet?
He's tired though. We've still got 100 metres of line left.
We just want a normal tuna.
Yeah, normal tuna. Or a wahoo. Hopefully, because we were down at 12 to 15 metres, this diver. So hopefully we've got a big mackie. His tail looks big.
Or a bonus.
He looks like he could be a wahoo or a mackie. We're allowed to. This will feed a family. And more. Oh, he's big. Where's that black butt, Coda?
I put it like
Can I have it, please?
I got it.
Mum,
Yes.
you're gonna finish it.
What?
Yeah. Put the Coda, you're filming.
Oh, I'll film it.
Mum's gonna reel it in.
It's
Sit
already
down.
recording, okay?
Yep, sit down, Mum. One. Not yet. You might run a bit and pull. He's pretty tired.
Is it a queenie?
No, it's a mackie. It's a massive Spanish. We're 100% ready. Okay, winder in. Okay, slow down. Keep going. Stop. Stop.
Hey, Pooh! Look at his tiny teeth.
Do I hold on to this
Yes.
side thing?
You just hold on to the rod.
He's all striped.
Okay, one more wind. Stop. It's gone. Is that sharp? And then you take a photo.
How's that, Bowen? Success?
This is pretty good. Okay. Still got some serious bones in them. And they're big.
After another full day of sailing, we tucked ourselves in just in time for a glorious sunset at Cape Bowling Green. It's looking like a truly epic glass out, so we expected a pretty uneventful night.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Cape Bowling Green.
Okay, we had an absolutely horrendous night. None of us got any sleep. We were all literally up and I was ready to abandon ship.
It's brown, it's rolly, and it's not green.
Probably the scariest 8 hours of our lives. We were anchored in pretty shallow, and so when we got some insane swell come through and hitting us on the beam, we were rocking from side to side so badly that our keels was hitting the sand over and over. It was a nightmare. We couldn't wait to get out of Cape Bowling Green and finally make it back to Magnetic Island. This time, however, we're taking advantage of the southerlies and we're heading to Horseshoe Bay. After hearing about the rock wallabies at Jeffrey Bay, we jumped on a bus and headed out there, where we found a bunch of rock wallabies who were all very keen on the carrot and apple the kids had brought along.
It's a bit big, Bowen. Poor little thing.
It's still a few days until my birthday, where we have all of our friends and family flying in to celebrate, so we took advantage of our downtime to have a quick pit stop at Picnic Bay for a much needed hike, and from the peak we found a really cool cove that we hadn't noticed previously. So we headed around and anchored at Rocky Bay for a day of sun.
Hi, I'm playing bocce with my mum. Because I'm going to do one down. Oh no!
Alright, now you gotta hit it.
Yellow.
My turn? Who won?
Mom! Let's go pick up bocce.
It didn't take us long to realise we were actually on a nudist beach. Luckily it wasn't too busy and everyone had left by dusk, so we made the most of it by having a fire cook-up with some friends.
I hope you liked this episode, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Stick around for next week when we're celebrating Shonny's birthday party at Maggie Island.